Good morning everyone, how are you? I hope those are watching my video, all of you are doing fine. I'm also doing well by the grace of Almighty God. So dear friends, today I will discuss about learning English. So actually how we can learn English language without going any coaching center and without going any private center for learning English. So dear audience, actually I have learned this language by without going any coaching center. I learned this language by myself. But how? And now I will discuss about this matter. Actually how I learned this language. So actually very first thing we have to think that how we have learned Bengali language. Actually আসলে আমরা বাংলা ভাষাটা কিভাবে শিখেছি সেটা হচ্ছে মূল বিষয়. So listen, we have learned this Bengali language by naturally. We learn this language by following our society, by following our mother tongue. Basically everyone says our mother tongue in naturally, and everyone learn this language, Bengali language, by naturally. And we have learned Bengali language by naturally, by hearing, মানে শুনে শুনে আমরা প্রাকৃতিকভাবে যে বাংলা ভাষাটা শিখেছি সেটা পুরোটাই শুনে শুনে শিখেছি. তো এটা হচ্ছে মূল বিষয়, আসলে শোনাটা হচ্ছে মূল কারণ. সো ফার্স্ট থিং উই হ্যাভ টু লিসেন আ লট. বেসিকলি we have to listen English song, we have to listen English drama, we have to listen English cartoon. Basically we have to involve in a English society. We have to make a English society in our comfort zone, in our inside. Then we able to speak in English very fluently, and we able to learn this language very easily. So this is the first thing. And second thing is thinking, মানে চিন্তা করা হচ্ছে একটা মূল বিষয়, যে আপনি যে কোনো কিছু চিন্তা করতেছেন সেটা অবশ্যই ইংলিশে করবেন. লাইক আপনি একটা কাজ করবেন, ধরেন যে আজকে আপনি সারা দিনে যে কাজটা করবেন কোনটার পরে কোনটা করবেন সেটা অবশ্যই ইংলিশে থিঙ্ক করবেন. যে আমি স্কুলে যাব অথবা আমি কলেজে যাব, I will go to school, then I will buy a pen, I will buy a notebook, I will buy a tiffin, I have to meet with my friend, I will complete my homework. So that's it, blah 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 blah. You have to think everything. So only two things practicing you can develop your English speaking and English learning journey. You have to practice every day. Third thing, practice. You have to practice every day. Basically without practice you can't develop your mentality. You cannot develop your English vocabulary or English pronunciation by practicing. So without any delay, let's practice every day and learn this language very easily. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.